Welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about how to name your Pinterest boards. Pinterest is a fantastic social media platform for businesses, and one of the best ways to optimize your Pinterest boards is by creating boards named appropriately. Here are some tips on how to create effective and efficient boards. 1. Choose a catchy and descriptive name. Your board's name should be easy to pronounce, spell, and remember. It should also reflect the content of the board. 2. Use hashtags effectively. Hashtags allow you to easily find and share your pins on social media. Make sure to use relevant hashtags in your board name to reach a wider audience. 3. Include a call to action to your boards. Names should also include a call to action, such as visit my website, join my email list, or visit my store. This will help encourage people to take action on what they've seen on your board. 4. Update your board regularly. It's important to keep your boards updated with fresh and relevant content. This will keep your followers engaged and coming back for more. By following these tips, you can effectively optimize your Pinterest boards and increase your online presence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content creation tips and tricks. Happy creating! Thanks for tuning in.